missed our girls' nights out.
Me too.
I'm taking candy
From a filthy rich baby.
It's gotta be $10 million worth of diamonds.
It's too bad it doesn't belong to you.
And what? Are you gonna stop us?
Don't do this, Laurel.
Oh, I thought you'd be happy. You were right about me all along. Oh, and it's too bad that you don't have your cry anymore.
But I still have mine. What are you doing here?
Yeah, same question. Aren't you supposed to be on your little spaceship or something?
I took a break to clean up your mess.
What is this, some kind of intervention?
I know you're not my sister, but in another world or another life you could have been. And my father believed in you.
Well, he was wrong. But you're right about one thing. You're not my sister.
Don't look surprised. Your friend's suit is basically a giant tracker.
And we happen to know somebody who's very good with a computer.
You brought your little friend with you. How typical.
It's not too late, Laurel. Don't do this.
That song of yours is getting a little old.
Look at the payload device big enough to clear out the window. Birds fly, don't they? Let's buy her some time. Stay close. Overwatch now!
Again.
Is everybody okay?
You came back for me. We're only as strong as we are together. Something I didn't realize till just now.
We are pretty badass together.
Yeah, like birds of justice.